Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete chats on DeepSeek using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek app. Once you are logged in, go to your chat section where all your conversations are listed. You'll find the chat section right here. Tap on the top left corner on this logo. As you can see, your conversation is listed right here. In order to delete your conversation, long press on the conversation and the menu will pop up rename and delete. Simply tap on delete. Tap on delete again. And your conversation is deleted successfully. Repeat the same process for the next one. And that's it, your chat is now gone. Super simple, right? If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.